Small apartment, genius storage hacks you can't miss. If you're struggling with a small apartment and tired of clutter, this video is for you. Today I'm revealing genius storage hacks that will transform your small apartment into an organized, spacious, and functional home without spending a fortune. From hidden storage tricks to maximizing vertical space, you'll never look at your home the same way again. Make sure to watch until the end for my favorite budget-friendly hack that will blow your mind. Now grab a notebook, hit that like button if you love home organization, and let's jump into it. Vertical space. Often overlooked, but it sparks so much joy when we embrace its potential. In a small apartment, the walls are your best friends. Let's start by considering the often forgotten space above our doorways. Installing floating shelves above doors is like magic. It's perfect for books, beautiful decor, or even extra kitchen essentials. Imagine freeing up that precious counter space. And let's not stop there. Let's bring those walls to life with purpose. Think about the areas around your windows. Could they benefit from the elegance of a floating shelf? And don't forget about the space above furniture. It's a goldmine for storage. Now let's add a touch of invisible organization with magnetic strips. In the kitchen, they're a dream come true near the stove. Imagine your knives, scissors, and metal utensils all neatly displayed and within easy reach. And in the bathroom, they work wonders for bobby pins, tweezers, and those little grooming tools that often get misplaced. But the joy of vertical storage doesn't end there. Let's introduce the versatility of pegboards. A pegboard in the kitchen is a game changer. Hang your pots, pans, and utensils. Imagine them displayed with pride, adding a touch of charm to your culinary haven. Now let's talk about a storage space that often goes unnoticed, the area under your bed. It's a treasure trove of potential just waiting to be unlocked. Rolling storage bins or drawers are your secret weapon here. Imagine storing seasonal clothes, shoes, or extra bedding in these easily accessible containers. And don't forget to label them, a simple touch that sparks so much joy when everything is in its rightful place. But we can elevate this space even further. DIY bed risers are a stroke of genius, creating even more storage height. Think of the possibilities. Suitcases, baskets, or even extra storage boxes can find a cozy and organized home beneath your bed. And if your budget allows, consider investing in an ottoman bed. It brings joy to lift the bed and reveal a hidden compartment, a spacious haven for your belongings. Vacuum storage bags are another great option, compressing bulky items to save even more space. In a small apartment, every piece of furniture should spark joy and serve a purpose. That's why I adore multifunctional furniture, pieces that work as hard as you do. Consider the humble ottoman, transformed into a stylish storage solution. Imagine it gracing your living room as a coffee table, yet discreetly concealing blankets, books, or even those elusive remotes. And when guests come calling, foldable dining tables and chairs are a dream come true. They gracefully expand to welcome your loved ones, then discreetly shrink back, maximizing your precious floor space. And let's not forget stackable chairs, a symphony of practicality and space-saving brilliance. But the true stars of multifunctional living are sofa beds and Murphy beds. Imagine your living room effortlessly transforming into a cozy guest bedroom with a sofa bed, a testament to your ingenuity and hospitality. And a Murphy bed, oh, the magic it holds. It gracefully folds into the wall, revealing extra floor space during the day. A blank canvas for your dreams and aspirations. And don't overlook modular furniture, which adapts to your needs, offering endless possibilities for your small space. Doors, my loves. They are not just for entering and exiting, they are hidden portals of storage potential. Let's start with the ever-so-versatile over-the-door shoe organizer. But instead of shoes, envision it as a home for cleaning supplies, snacks, socks, accessories, or even toiletries. It's a stroke of organizational genius. And let's not forget the power of hooks and racks. Inside closet doors, they become elegant displays for scarves, belts, or handbags. And a towel rack behind the bathroom door, pure brilliance. It frees up wall space, allowing your towels to dry gracefully while maintaining a sense of order. But my heart truly sings for hanging baskets. Placed on pantry or bathroom doors, they offer extra storage without sacrificing precious shelf space. Imagine a symphony of baskets, each holding its designated items, spices, toiletries, or even those little treasures that bring you joy. Now let's unleash our creativity and explore those often overlooked nooks and crannies, those underappreciated spaces just yearning for a touch of magic. The area above your fridge, for instance. It's a blank canvas awaiting your storage ingenuity. Cookbooks, baskets brimming with dry goods, or even small appliances can find a happy home in this elevated space. And what about the space under your stairs? Oh, the possibilities. Installing pull-out drawers or hidden cabinets is like discovering a secret storage vault. Imagine shoes lined up in perfect harmony or extra supplies tucked away with care. But let's not forget the charm of corner shelving and hanging baskets. Corners, often seen as merely architectural elements, can be transformed into delightful displays for books, plants, or even stylish storage bins. Ah, clothes! They bring us joy, warmth, and a sense of personal style. But bulky winter jackets, cozy blankets, and those beloved sweaters can take up precious space. Fear not, for vacuum seal bags are here to save the day. These magical bags shrink your bulky items down to a fraction of their size. Just imagine, watching in delight as your winter wardrobe shrinks before your very eyes. It's important, however, to approach this task with a mindful heart. Once sealed, these space-saving wonders can be neatly stored under your bed or in bins, awaiting the return of colder days. And speaking of seasonal shifts, why not embrace the joy of rotation? Keep only current season clothes in your closet, allowing your wardrobe to breathe and spark joy every time you open the door. Now, let's step into the heart of the home, the kitchen. This space, where culinary creativity blossoms, often requires ingenious storage solutions. Tension rods, my friends, are not just for shower curtains. Placed inside cabinets, they become vertical dividers, separating baking trays, cutting boards, and lids with effortless grace. And let's not forget about our spice collection. Magnetic spice racks adhered to the fridge are a stroke of genius. They free up precious counter and cabinet space, allowing your spices to take center stage in a visually appealing and easily accessible manner. And finally, let's elevate our cookware with ceiling-mounted pot racks. They add a touch of rustic charm to your kitchen while keeping your pots and pans within easy reach. It's a testament to both practicality and aesthetics. And there you have it. Genius storage hacks to transform any small apartment into a spacious, clutter-free haven. Remember, creating a tidy and organized home is not about perfection. It's about surrounding yourself with what brings you joy. Which hack sparked the most joy for you? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you tidy up your space and your life, don't forget to like and subscribe for more genius home hacks. Thanks for watching and happy organizing. See you in the next one.